Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wii Sports on your iPad. While the game was originally designed for a different console, modern technology allows us to enjoy these classics on mobile devices. We'll cover the essential steps, from choosing the right software to setting up your controls, ensuring you can relive those nostalgic moments. You'll learn about emulation, game files, and how to optimize your iPad for the best possible experience. To begin, you'll need an emulator, which is software that mimics the original console. Dolphin Emulator is widely recognized as a top choice for playing Wii and GameCube titles on various platforms, including iOS. It's crucial to find a version compatible with your iPad's operating system, typically iOS 13 or later. You can often find these emulators through third-party app stores or by sideloading, which involves installing apps outside the official App Store. Always look for the latest stable release to ensure the best performance and game compatibility. Next, you'll need the Wii Sports game file, known as a ROM. It is important to legally obtain ROMs from games you already own, such as by ripping them from your original game discs. Once you have the ROM, transfer it to your iPad, perhaps using a cloud service or direct file transfer. For the best experience, connect a Bluetooth game controller, like an Xbox or PlayStation controller, to your iPad. This provides much more precise control than touchscreen inputs, especially for a motion-centric game like Wii Sports. You will then configure these controls within the Dolphin emulator settings. Once everything is set up, you can fine-tune the emulator settings for optimal performance. Experiment with graphics and audio options to find a balance that works well on your specific iPad model. Closing other applications running in the background can free up valuable system resources, leading to smoother gameplay. Always ensure your iPad has ample battery life, as emulation can be quite demanding. If you encounter any issues, online communities and forums dedicated to Dolphin Emulator and iOS emulation are excellent resources for troubleshooting and finding solutions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.